Okay, the first thing we're going to do is remove the lock screws, which are right back here. Don't forget your lock washer right there. I almost did. Now I'm going to remove the screw to the tang. Alright, now pull back on your hammer very gently. Do not force it. I'm wiggling it back and forth. That way I don't chip any of the wood. And that will free your lock. You can tell this muzzleloader has been used before because of the black powder residue all over the lock. Honestly, it is not in that bad a shape. I thought it was going to be worse on the inside. Yeah, see, black powder right there. Alright, now we're going to remove the trigger guard assembly. It's pretty straightforward. You just got really little screws. You do not want to lose them. Always make sure to put your parts in a bag. I cannot stress that enough. And if something is not coming out and getting loose right away, just take your time. You don't want to break any parts. Finally got that trigger guard free. Alright, underneath that we got the trigger assembly. Just be very careful because there are springs. A little bit of rust. Not too bad. Alright, now we're going to carefully pry up the tang. Now you can definitely tell there's rust on top of that tang. Moving on to the wedge plate. Pretty straightforward. Now, do not lose your wedge. Put it in a bag. As soon as I took off the barrel, I placed the wedge in a safe spot so I wouldn't lose it. Okay, so there's the nose cap. Those are your screws that you need to take out right there. Alright, now the patch box, which is pretty easy. You only got two little screws, one right there and then one down there. Now I had a little bit of problems with the bottom one, so I took my bit because I did not have a small enough flat head to reach the bottom screw, and I actually screwed it out by hand. and loosened it out there. See, my screwdriver wouldn't fit, so like I said, I just loosened it up with the bit in my hand. Okay, and now on to the butt plate.